Hi, in this class, we'll be basically looking at the order by statement. Now, what is the order by statement? We're trying to explain the order by statement by using the Excel, right? It's very much similar to how we order the sheet. Maybe we would like to order this sheet by, the date of the ship date, for instance. Now, if we want to order the sheet by the ship date, so basically we just come here and we, the same way we would come here and say, oh, we will like to um, so basically, we just come and say we sort the sheet by column D, right? And then we go from A to Z. It's the same way. I mean, the very same way is you see, like here now, it's basically following it's following, it's kind of increasing the date. It's the same way we actually sort the SQL by using the order by. And you could basically sort in descending format or in ascending format, just the same way it is in, you know, in Excel. So also the same thing here. You see, like it's basically going from the highest to the lowest, right? And so you can also have the descending order by. So this is just also another case where we just basically explain what we are doing in SQL by Excel to let us know that there's nothing really special that we do in SQL. I mean, it's just basically doing it in a much more efficient way and a much more structured way. See you in the next class.